Today's sophisticated electronics demand a home that is wired to take advantage of their new capabilities. Sound Effects is a local integration contractor that designs and installs custom integrated components for new and existing homes. Our user-friendly and functional system options can help you and your family control everything from lighting and climate control to motorized shades, music, TVs, security, and so much more from anywhere.
My name's Chris Russell, and this is my wife Amber Russell, and so we've worked with Sound Effects since the house was first constructed, both in the pre-wire phase and also within the building phase.
I've enjoyed the security system. It's made me feel a lot safer at home. When Chris has gone traveling, I'm able to look at the cameras and see what's going on.
A lot of times when I had questions, Martin would get Brad on the phone, the three of us would talk about it, or vice versa. And I felt like it was really a group project, that they were treating this home as if it was their home and they were building a home for their family, and that went a long way for us.
It's our employees that make this company great. It's not me, it's not Brad, it's our employees.
I think the biggest thing is people are visual, and you can't ever experience a home theater of this type of quality without actually sitting in these custom leather chairs in front of the 135-inch screen and getting completely overwhelmed and overpowered by a sound system you've never ever heard before. So please, when you have an opportunity, come down to Sound Effects, sit in our leather couches, and enjoy the show.